Aggregate Technologies Inc. worked with the Harris County Tollway Authority to safely demolish 4 enormous 100-foot tall bridge pylons with 2-foot thick walls for the Sam Houston Tollway Ship Channel Bridge. Each gigantic pylon was expertly cut into 25 chunks, each chunk weighing in at 40,000 pounds, or the weight of 2 semi-tractors without the trailer. The goal was to demolish the pylons in the safest, most efficient, eco-friendly manner within the tight schedule. ATI's expertise in hydrodemolition was key in the $4.5 million project, a project 2 times larger than any other project ATI had completed. With extraordinary pre-planning, client communication, and the ATI team's excellent skills, ATI completed this job on time and on budget. Despite significant weather delays, ATI was able to recycle 28,000 gallons of water a day, or 70% of the water on the job, which saved cost, emissions, and precious time on the schedule. And all concrete was 100% recycled. This complex eco-friendly project was effectively completed while meeting the tight schedule with no OSHA recordable incidents.